Today is May 20th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery. We're going to do a brief video of our little A-Trump 3-axis CNC mill. We'll do a quick little walk around here and we have a very brief program queued up. We don't have in-depth knowledge of the programming of this system, so we just went through some functions quick as opposed to taking time to learn absolutely everything. So we'll show you what we have here. The machine is wired 220 volts 3-phase. Lube pump down there. The lube pump is running. In fact, it will not stop running. So we do need to look at the lube pump, but we have lube everywhere, so we know it's working well. There's a spray mist coolant system. That won't be shown functioning in this video because we don't have it filled. There's the Accurate control face. Power drawbar. We have a basic bolt hole circle queued up here, so we're gonna hit cycle start and you'll just see the movements. And then what it's going to do, it's going to peck drill. There's a peck. There's another one. Then there. It does 3 peck drills each time. Increase the speed for you. Obviously the speed is independent of the program feeds and everything, so you have to be aware of that. Go ahead, turn it back on again. Let's just hear the head. Get some background noise. There we're up to about 5,000 RPM of top speed. So this is a additional update video to our A-Trump mill. We figured out the circular interpolation and the graphics on the machines, so just wanted to show this video. So that's our brief video. Everything functioned, everything looks good.